What is going on, Bessie Gang? Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Black Bessie Media. And we just took delivery of our China Honda. So yeah, we just took delivery of the CRF 230 clone from Amazon. My first dirt bike. Gonna give this thing a try, see how these bikes are. Delivery was quick. 3 days, and the weekend, so 5 days, because they weren't delivering on Saturday and Sunday, and today's Monday, 5 o'clock, they just dropped it off. A little late from their delivery time that they said, but looks pretty good. I don't see any crazy damage to the box on the outside. All the corners are still there. The wrap around the outside looks really good. So let's take this wrap off, let's get this box off, and let's see what lies underneath. Probably gonna pop this into a quick time lapse and go from there. Yeah, I'm excited. So let's see what's underneath here. Better look at it. You can see this is all bent up, and the actual kickstand of the bike and peg, part of the frame, we're just going straight through here and broke through the cardboard. So hopefully there's no damage to that. But I'm gonna go ahead now. I'm gonna go around under this frame from the bottom, and then hopefully just lift it up from it like a cage. Set it off to the side, and then start shimmying this bike out of here. But so far, everything looks pretty good. Looks pretty good so far.